Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sennheiser Momentum TWS 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily find your user manual. At first you have to search in your web browser for Sennheiser Momentum TWS for user manual and go. After that, as you can see from Sennheiser website, you have your PDF file. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.